Hello, it's me. Oh, where's my sign? Crazy Rebecca dances with pit bulls. Phew, almost missed that. We're going to finish these pillows. And I'm going to show you one way to get her done. I'm going to turn it over this way. Instead of measuring, I'm just going to around it with my straight edge and my this thing. Don't get old, people. You lose your words. Okay. Note to self, clean the table off better. I know you can't see me over here, but I'm doing the same thing. Now I'm going to turn it, and these cutoffs will not go to waste. Let me assure you of that. Okay, so now you have, okay, that was doubled. I didn't say that, but it was doubled. So you have two pieces. Decide which side you're going to use. I think I'm going to use this side because that's what is showing on here, not the reverse like that. Although the reverse is very pretty. So line them back up, and you're gonna fold down about that much. So that is about 4.5 inches. So I'm gonna take 4.5 inches off of both of them. Put this with your other scraps. Now go to your machine. Maybe we could iron first. We can iron first. Just turn it under like this. You can turn it twice if you want. But I am not going to, but you're going to do it. Look at me, I can't even get up here. Okay, I'm going to do it twice, and we're going to sew both of those seams. And then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, I have my hemmed pieces. Put your pillow top face up and take one of the pieces and put it face down. I'm going to go this way and pretend that's the top. And I think I need to turn this. Yes, I do. Okay. So the first one you put down will be on the outside of the pillow, I think. I think. Therefore I am. Sometimes you just gotta trust the process. And line it up all the way around. Do a Tracy Myers and pin the corners first. I know you can't see, I know that. This corner. Now I like to pin here where that thing is, and this one here. I got some little short pins. They're kind of weird, but what you gonna do? You're gonna use what you got. That's what you're gonna do. And one more thing. This is crooked. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Okay, I am going to sew all the way around because you're going to turn it from here. You don't need to leave a space. So let me go sew it. We'll turn it and throw a pillow form in it, and you will see what I am talking about. Okay, I have sewed it. We're going to trim the corners off of these edges. Or, yeah, trim the corners. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Look at me. Look at me trimming the corners. Now, we're going to turn it. And too bad I don't have that knitting needle still in here. See, envelope back. Okay, so I have a really nice pillow form. I bought Joann.com. And you pull this part down, and you are the boss. Tuck that in like that, and voila, you have a pillow. Look at that. So I'm gonna finish the other one real fast, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do about the pillow form because I don't have another one unless I make one. I could probably go out in the garage and look for some fiber fill. So maybe that's what I'll do, but I will be back. So here are my two envelope backed pillows. I gave up and bought another pillow form. There's how the backs look. And I wanted to show you this one. You can't barely see it, but see, it's the same principle. And that's how you do it. That's how I do it. And Not saying it's right or it's wrong. That's just how I do it. Okay, there, I said it. That's how I do it. I'll see you next time.